How to request a free MRI review. Who are we and what we do? With world-class physicians on staff, the newest and most advanced technology, Deuk Spine Institute has performed thousands of procedures and achieves a 95% success rate in elimination of pain. Treatments? Every patient comes to us with a unique set of challenges. That's why we address every patient's care individually. These are some of the world-class treatment options available at Deuk Spine Institute. Deuk laser disc repair, Deuk spinal fusion, rhizotomy, epidural injection, kyphoplasty, physical therapy. Meet Dr. Deuk, world-renowned board-certified neurosurgeon. Go to www.mri.deukspine.com. Click the Free MRI Review tab on the upper right. Complete the patient information form. Continue to fill out Step 2 of the form. Make sure to submit all your MRI images, plus report. You can submit the MRI through the mail, file upload, or medical record release. You can drag and drop or upload images into the form. Things to remember when submitting your free MRI review. All MRI images must be submitted along with the report in order for it to be reviewed. Once your case is reviewed by our team, a patient advocate will contact you. Thanks for choosing Deuk Spine Institute.